Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me on my channel again today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment down below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing secrets to looking good on a budget. The first secret I'm going to share is knowing your body type and choosing clothes that fit your body. When I say know your body type, there are different body types ranging from hourglass to diamond to rectangle to triangle to inverted triangle to round to pear. I'm going to leave an image on the screen so you can do your research and know your body type. Also, when I say choose clothes that fit you, I'm talking about choosing clothes that fit your body type and also clothes that make you feel comfortable, confident, elegant, bossy, attractive, in some cases well put together, and even slimmer. So when going shopping or choosing items, make sure you put these words in mind so you know exactly what you're shopping for. Another secret I'm going to share is know what to spend your money on. As we all know, there are definitely some pieces in your wardrobe that are way pricier than other pieces. What I mean is spend money on things like coats and jackets. And why I am saying spend money on those items is because they are the first piece of clothing people see on you when they are meeting you for the first time or when they approach you. It has to look beautiful, it has to look comfortable, it also has to look very neat and well put together. Another thing I'll say spend money on is good and solid underwear. When you wear your underwear, you already feel confident even without dressing, but also dressing up in good underwear makes your clothes fit your body frame even better. In case you don't know that now. And do your research. What I'm actually saying is true. Good underwear make you feel better and makes your outfit even better looking on you. Other things I would say spend money on are classic items that you know are not going out of fashion, items you can wear all year round, items you know you can wear for every season, year in, year out. Items like a very good leather tote bag and also a denim jacket and also even a black dress. Those items never go out of fashion. They are always trending and they are always a must-have. So items like that you can actually spend money on. The next secret I'm going to be sharing is know what to save money on. The first thing I'm going to say, you should save your money on a high-end fashion items. Items you know you're not going to wear for a long period of time, or items that you know you're going to go out of fashion before you know it. You really don't need to spend money on those items. You need to save your money as much as possible. Another thing I would say save your money on are accessories. High-end jewelries that you know that are not going to be worth much after you buy them. For instance, if you're buying a $300 ring that you know it's not going to have any value after a short period of time, you really don't need to spend money on items like that. Also, you really don't need to spend money on like a $500 scarf. The other day I went to a store and I saw a scarf that it was about $300 and I just looked at it and I forgot about it. But the other day while going through Shein shopping app, I saw something really similar to that scarf and it only cost about $5. You really don't need to buy a $500 scarf. Who cares if you're wearing a $500 scarf? Save your money as much as possible. Another thing I would say save your money on are clothing you wear in the house, like pajamas or loungewear. You really don't need to spend a fortune on those items. Pajamas and loungewear are items you're just wearing in the house, especially because of the pandemic that kept most of us at home. You really don't need to spend a fortune on those items. If you get a good wear out of them, you can replace them, but really you don't need to spend a fortune on them. Another secret I'm going to share is thrift shopping. Thrifting is a whole topic on its own and we are not going to get into that today. If you thrift properly, you're going to find classic, timeless pieces at very, very affordable prices. For instance, my favorite winter jacket right now, I got it at a thrift store and I paid next to nothing for it. And it was a designer item. So if you do it properly, I'm telling you, you're going to find really, really beautiful clothes and other items you're looking for. And let me say again, that is if you do it properly. Another secret I'm going to share for today is stop impulse buying. When I say stop impulse buying, I cannot emphasize enough how important this is. Don't buy everything you see. Don't say, oh, this store, they are doing sales today. because just because they're doing sales, you're going to spend money there. No, don't do that. Think about what you're buying before you buy it. If you're 50% sure you don't need the item, don't buy it. Basically, what I'm saying is spend your money on needs instead of wants. Don't say, oh, it's cheaper here, that's why I'm buying it. Don't do that. Buy what you need. Don't buy what you want. So this brings me to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you think I missed some things, you can leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed my video, please give this video a thumbs up. And again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.